10-week early. I came home with a catheter, I had to pack my wounds that they had to open back up, and I fell. So fun.
Oh, look at you.
Terrible. I never thought I'd be able to go to the
Hi, good girl. Where are you going? Oh my God, Andrew.
What's she doing?
I don't know. She just popped up. I don't know. Josie, what are you doing, sweet girl? Josie, it's kind of high. Woo!
They were roommates in 2004, and Hannah and Leah came home on June 26th, and then left on June 30th.
Hey.
Came home for
It's following each other.
in those 80 days went through reflux, Marion,
Oh, Eli.
anything. Nobody came
Uh-oh.